Windows play a vital role in the overall comfort, efficiency, and appearance of your home. Over time, windows can become worn, inefficient, or outdated, impacting both the functionality and aesthetic of your property. If you're a homeowner in Birmingham, replacing your windows is an investment worth considering. Whether it's for improved energy efficiency, enhanced curb appeal, or greater security, window replacement offers numerous benefits that can transform your home. Here are the top reasons why you should consider window replacement in Birmingham. Boost energy efficiency. One of the primary reasons homeowners opt for window replacement is to improve energy efficiency. Older windows with single panes or worn seals allow drafts and temperature fluctuations, causing your HVAC system to work harder. Birmingham's seasonal weather changes, hot summers and cool winters, can drive up your energy bills if your windows aren't properly insulated. Modern energy-efficient windows, such as double or triple pane models with low emissivity glass, reduce heat transfer and minimize energy loss. These windows keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, ultimately lowering your utility bills and reducing your carbon footprint. Enhance your home's curb appeal. Your windows are a key visual element of your home's exterior. Outdated, faded, or damaged windows can detract from your property's curb appeal. In Birmingham's competitive real estate market, having attractive and modern windows can make a significant difference. Window replacement allows you to choose from a variety of styles, materials, and finishes that complement your home's architectural design. Whether you prefer sleek, contemporary designs or timeless, traditional styles, upgrading your windows can enhance the aesthetic of your property and boost its overall value. Increase natural light and comfort. Old or damaged windows may obstruct natural light or cause glare, making your living spaces less enjoyable. New windows with advanced glazing technology not only improve the flow of natural light but also control glare and UV exposure. By replacing your windows, you can create brighter, more inviting spaces in your home. Many modern windows also come with features that enhance ventilation and prevent outside noise, ensuring a comfortable and peaceful indoor environment. Improve home security. Security is a top priority for homeowners in Birmingham, and your windows are a critical component of your home's defense. Older windows with weakened frames, loose locks, or single-pane glass make it easier for intruders to break in. Window replacement provides an opportunity to upgrade to more secure options. Modern windows come with reinforced frames, impact-resistant glass, and advanced locking mechanisms to deter break-ins and protect your family. Enhanced security features give you peace of mind, knowing your home is well protected. Resolve maintenance issues. If your current windows require frequent repairs or upkeep, replacing them may be more cost-effective in the long run. Issues such as peeling paint, rotting wood frames, or broken seals can make old windows a constant source of frustration and expense. New windows are designed for durability and low maintenance. Materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum resist wear and tear, while advanced finishes prevent fading, chipping, or peeling. This means you'll spend less time and money on maintenance, giving you more time to enjoy your home. Adapt to changing Birmingham weather. Birmingham's weather patterns can be unpredictable, ranging from intense heat to heavy rain and storms. Older windows may not provide adequate protection against these elements, leading to leaks, drafts, or water damage. Modern windows are built to withstand harsh weather conditions. Many models feature weather-resistant frames, airtight seals, and impact-resistant glass to shield your home from the elements. With new windows, you'll enjoy a more resilient and weather-ready home. Increase property value. If you're planning to sell your home in Birmingham, window replacement is a smart investment that can boost your property's market value. Potential buyers are drawn to homes with energy-efficient, secure, and visually appealing windows. According to real estate experts, replacing your windows can provide a high return on investment, ROI, making it one of the most cost-effective home improvements you can make. A home with upgraded windows is more likely to attract buyers and sell quickly. Conclusion: window replacement is an investment that offers both immediate and long-term benefits for homeowners in Birmingham. From improved energy efficiency and security to enhanced aesthetics and comfort, upgrading your windows can transform your living spaces while adding value to your property. If your windows are outdated or no longer serving your needs, it's time to consult window replacement experts in Birmingham. With the right windows, you'll enjoy a more beautiful, efficient, and secure home for years to come. Don't wait. Start your window replacement journey today.